My name is Willie Williams, and on November the 17th, I had a valve replacement procedure at Cape Fear Valley Medical Center. I'm a school bus driver, and I've been driving for 18 years. I found out over a period of time that if I walked from maybe 10, 15 feet, my heart would start pumping as if it was jumping out of my chest. I would get so tired. I couldn't sleep over 3 hours at night. I start feeling depressed and didn't know why I was feeling depressed because I'm not the type to feel depressed. I'm usually the type person that people come to with their problems, and I kept having this feeling that I was dying. No one understood what I was going through. And when I went to the valve clinic and started talking to Tanya, they understood. They made me feel like I wasn't crazy. They said that I had a lazy flap over one of the valves that were causing the blood to rush through too fast. They checked me in, explained everything to me, what the procedure consists of. I understood everything she said. Matter of fact, I talked to my wife a few minutes ago, and I was telling her we have a bicycle, one of them bicycles that you pedal that don't go anywhere. We have one of them out there in my storage room. I think we're gonna bring it inside the house and put it in the extra room we have, because I feel like I can do that, and I want to do that now, where before I didn't want to walk to my car. And now I feel like another 20 years been added to my life. I'm 80 years old, and I'm planning on retiring from driving the bus this coming June. Now my plans is to keep going, because I feel like I can keep going, and I feel that I need to keep going.